Hello there, my name is Peter Kariuki, team leader PMC Estates, and today we are looking at a topic, a very important topic in our aspects of our lives. And what we're saying is never stop learning, never stop learning. And it is said that the moment you stop learning, that is the day you start dying. That is the day you start going down. You know, what is it that you can do so that you remain relevant, you remain abreast? Because when you continue learning, you become more wiser. You know, you become a more better person. You become relevant, and therefore it is very important for us every day, irrespective of what we do, irrespective of our age, to keep learning. And what are some of the things that you can do so that you never stop learning? And number one, we are saying, be a reader. Keep reading. You know, keep reading materials which are relevant to your field. Become an expert, but not only to materials that are relevant to your field, but also, you know, read motivational books, read inspiration books. And it is very simple. You can give yourself a target of like every day. I will be reading a certain number of pages, so that when you are done with one material, when you're done with one book, you go to the next one. And therefore that will broaden your mind, that will broaden your knowledge, and you become a better person, and you become a relevant and important person in the field you're doing and in the society. Point number two, and very important, surround yourself with people who are better than you, and people who are come from a different field than the one you are. You know, more often we like associating ourselves with people who we have come from the same region, we are in the same career. You know, but what you're saying is, for you to become a better person, for you to keep learning, make sure that the people you're interacting with are people who are better than you. You know, they are people from other geographical locations. They are people from different careers. They are people from different fields, so that you're able to learn different skills apart from what you do. You know, and that is very, very important. Create networks, you know, with people who are better than you. Very key. Point number three, take short courses. And these short courses can be online. Like, you know, the scenarios we are in now, we have a lot of online content, and you can sign up to a course of even 1 week or 2 weeks or even a month, and you become better. And this is not necessarily to even you know, improve on your qualifications, but to broaden your mind and to make you a better person and to make you someone who is more wiser every day. Because it is said, if you don't learn, you'll be the same person 5 years from now, because you have not increased your knowledge, you have not, you know, learned a new skills, and therefore for you to be a different person 5 years from now, you have to keep on learning, and that is very, very, very important. Point number four, watch and listen to motivation, you know, videos. Watch motivation videos. You know, nowadays you can even find books online which are in video format, which you can watch. You know, irrespective of where we are. Either you are relaxing, or you are in traffic jam, or you are you are not so much occupied. Make sure you are listening to something motivation, something that can, you know, motivate you, something that can inspire you, something that can help you learn a new skill, a new lesson. And very important, never stop learning. Keep on sharpening yourselves, keep on sharpening your axe, keep on sharpening your skills, so that you remain relevant and you become a key figure or a key person in the society. Keep learning, never stop learning. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.